Hi guys, so my name is Mystic Eno. My pronouns are she, her, and hers. The first question that people tend to ask me a lot are your parents hippies? And my parents aren't necessarily people's general term, like hippie definition. In my honest opinion, I think they're the farthest thing from hippies, so no, to answer that question right away. I don't know if you're thinking it, but that's the question I tend to get asked mostly. I decided, just so you guys know, like, to do the video camera, because I feel like I've heard a lot of people talking about it saying they didn't want to use it. And I just feel like, why not, get to know everyone, and I guess it's the best way. So I'm just gonna go with it. So where I've been, I grew up in the Westby area until I was in like second grade, but in 2007 there was this really bad flood that came in, and it like flooded out our house in the basement, and kind of just ruined the foundation of it. So like a fourth way through my second grade year, we moved to the Cross with some of my dad's friends, and with them we just decided to, we needed more space, so we moved to Viroqua, and I spent the second half of my year to graduation. I graduated from Viroqua High School, so that's where I'm from. So some things that are like super important to me, I guess, would be family and like friends and stuff. So my friends up here were my high school friends. I'm still friends with them. Rebecca was in my high school. Mia here was also they're all in my high school, but Mia was from Norway, and then this is Natalia. She's from Brazil. This is a family photo from my sister Brianna here on graduation from high school, and then down in the corner there is a picture of her from her senior photos, like just messing around. And then another friend of mine from Denmark on a trip again with Rebecca. And then my boyfriend's also super important to me. He's changed my he's really impacted me throughout my life. That I've known him. I guess I can't say like my whole life, but just from what I've known him, he's really changed me, and I love him very much. But also, just the fact that like everyone's been a part of me. I feel like those that are around me the most tend to shape you the most. So yeah, I have my dad Jason, my mom Rita, my older sister Brianna, and my middle sister Fawn. So that's what I'm a part of, I guess. So things that I give a damn about in this world, I guess you could say, like the note said, what do you give a damn about in this world? Would be I got a dog this summer. It's a German Shepherd. She's a puppy. She's about 4 months currently as I'm recording this video. Her name's Bea, spelled Bella, but it's Bea. It's Spanish. The reason I chose this is because I'm actually like going to college for more of like a foreign language degree, and Spanish is a very important part of my life. My boyfriend's first language is Spanish, so it's very helpful. I also care about friendships, like I said, and education. Obviously, I'm going to college, so I find that to be very important and something that impacts my life a lot. I didn't really start taking education seriously until about my junior year and the sophomore year in high school, so I just want to make sure I'm getting most of what I've got, and I really care about like moving forward with my life and making myself worthy. Things that make me laugh would be probably my cat. I'm not currently living with her, but she is super funny. She's saying with my aunt right now, but her name's Briar, and she's a rescue cat. I gave her when she was a kitten. She's probably like 2, 3 right now. She's super cute. She comes out in the most funny moments. She has the most adorable meow I've ever heard, and softest forever. Love her so much. Feeling valued in the class, as the thing said in the notes. I feel like the most important thing is communication with one another. I would hope that you would feel comfortable to come to me if you have a question, or if you just want to say hi, get to know each other, or even, I don't know, I would hope that I would be able to feel comfortable around you. I'll admit I'm kind of a shy person, so I might not quite up right away, but let's hope the year advances and we all get more comfortable with each other in life, like it's gonna happen. Hopefully we're all in a small classroom for the semester, so that'll make use of it, I guess. And then for the creative part, in my high school I was in advanced art. It's not something I want to do in my future, but I'm okay. I'm not like a professional or anything, but this is an artwork piece that I have to do on a comic strip we had to do, like a twisted comic strip. And so I did mine on Little Red Riding Hood, where the wolf pretended to be like her, like putting on the mask and everything instead of just draping the hood over and that kind of stuff. So it's got more in-depth detail to it, I guess. But yeah, so that's all I guess. And looking forward to the school year, guys.